Homeowners Association, short for HOAs. So, HOA or non-HOA? When you consider purchasing a home within an HOA for the first time, there are some things to think about. A common question that I get asked is, what are the benefits of an HOA? So, here are the top 10 benefits of having a homeowners association. Number 1, it helps maintain property values because residents are held accountable to deed restrictions with the benefit of the home and the common areas having consistent care and maintenance. Having a well-kept home in a well-kept neighborhood is what makes living in an HOA desirable to many homebuyers. Number 2, financial stability. A well-managed HOA has reserves in place and funds available for future projects such as common areas and repairs and capital improvements. Strong reserves also reduce the chances of special assessments as well. Number 3 is the connection with your community through volunteer work. Opportunities to be of service to your community by volunteering to serve on the board of directors is a great way to make new friends and a network, but it's also a great way to ensure that the board is run properly. Number 4, you get support when dealing with neighbor property issues, as HOAs often partner with municipal code compliance departments to ensure adherence to the rules. Number 5, rules and regulations deter nuisance activities because each owner of the community is held to the same set of standards for the upkeep of the exteriors of their home, as well as adhering to parking restrictions, noise policies, short-term rental guidelines, and alike. Number 6, increase community pride. Community activities and events help bring neighborhoods together, which increase the pride of ownership in a HOA membership within the community. Number 7 is having all the maintained common areas and amenities. Most HOAs do an outstanding job maintaining their common areas and amenities. Things like manicured and overseen common area lawns, freshly painted everything, lighting, and just plain clean overall. If the neighborhood looks great, the community feels great. Number 8, you have access to amenities such as walking trails, tennis courts, swimming pools, hot tubs, barbecue pits, neighborhood parks, and alike. Number 9, increase community engagement. Community gatherings and activities such as movie in the park, chili dumps, tennis, pickleball, Halloween parties, or holiday gatherings bring neighbors closer together, regardless of the community size. There is a sense of camaraderie among neighbors in any community. And number 10, architectural controls. Residents are required to submit an approval of modification for projects of the exterior of their home. That means you're not going to have a huge, bright, neon orange or green painted house next door in the area. The architectural committee will review each request and ensure consistency within the community standards. I'm John Herman with Property Up, and I'd love to assist you with anything real estate or community related. Our team is here to help, and as always, remember, make it a great day.